In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a blog on Hubspot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a successful blog post is just a few clicks away. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. Start by visiting the HubSpot homepage, which serves as the gateway for all of HubSpot's tools and services. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the familiar interface of HubSpot. Easy to navigate, this page helps you access various functionalities efficiently. Next, click on the Login button. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, be sure to have your mobile device ready to complete the login process. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is like your central control center where you can manage everything from marketing efforts to sales workflows. Take a moment to explore the options available, as HubSpot offers a robust suite of tools designed to streamline your digital marketing. Now let's navigate to the area where you can manage your blog. Head over to the Forms section. Don't worry, even though the term might sound unrelated, it's all part of accessing HubSpot's content creation capabilities. Click on the Content option within this section. This is where you'll find everything related to what you've created or plan to create, like blogs, landing pages, and more. Following this, locate and click on Blog. This will redirect you to the main blog management page. Here, you will see any blogs that are currently in progress or have been published, along with options to create a new blog post. To proceed, click on the Create button. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu choose Create Blog Post. This action initializes the blog editor, bringing you one step closer to sharing your ideas with the world. Before we dive into adding content, let's make sure your user preferences are set correctly, especially concerning security. Go to the user preferences in the settings area of your HubSpot account. Here, select Security to review your account protection settings. It's advisable to set up two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA, if you haven't already. This adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that your account remains protected from unauthorized access. And there you have it, the essential steps to posting a blog on HubSpot. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be all set to start writing and eventually publishing powerful content that will engage and inform your audience. Remember, a well-crafted blog post can significantly enhance your online presence, so take your time and let your creativity shine. Thank you for watching, and happy blogging on HubSpot.